Hey guys, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to be changing the filter on the Jura E8. What you're going to need for this video is one Claris Smart filter. They come individually or in packs of 3. You'll know it's time to replace your filter when the gear on the bottom left corner of the screen is red. When selecting that gear, you'll see a red blurb that says filter. Clicking that button will initiate the cycle. Now in this video, my machine doesn't actually need a new filter. We're going to walk through the steps and we're going to do it through the menu itself. One thing we recommend when starting this process is first opening the package, turning your filter upside down, and then rinsing it under your sink for 30 seconds. Now the reason we do this is it's a lot easier for the machine to pull water through a filter that's already soaked than it is one that's dry. It's essentially priming the filter. After rinsing your filter, you're going to start the cycle. Now, you click the gear button, click change filter. Your machine will give you an indication to change. So what you're going to do is remove the water tank, then you're going to grab the filter extension, you're going to turn it, that's going to unlock it from the tank. Once it's unlocked, you will remove it and empty your water tank. Once the filter is removed, you split it from its actual connector. You then reattach the new filter, put it back into the tank, lock it in place, fill it with water, and then insert it back onto your machine. Now because these filters have RFID technology, your machine will automatically be aware that a new filter is in place. Now once you've put the water tank back with its new filter, the machine will automatically rinse and prime the filter. This takes a short period of time, maybe 30 seconds. After that, you're ready to go. And that's how you change the water filter on the Jura E8. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us at Fiamma_Canada on Instagram and check out our website for all the cleaning supplies you may need. Have a great day.